Hi everybody! Bit of a different video today. Since Andre and I have been in quarantine, we've been eating a lot of cookies, but we've run out. So I'm making a banana bread because it's quite easy to make, it's delicious and it's healthy. Or so you can tell yourself. So I've started by preheating the oven to 180 degrees. I think it's normally about 160, but our oven is a little bit rubbish and needs a little bit of a higher temperature for most things. I've also washed my hands and I've washed the surfaces. Oh, I need this on as well. So I'm going to gather my ingredients first and all the pots that I'll need. A large bowl, a medium bowl, a small bowl, weighing scales and weighing bowl, a loaf tin, or you can use a normal cake tin if you want to as well. And because I'm a little bit lazy, an electric hand mixer, and a spatula and a whisk. I found a recipe that I've used before, which I really like because it's easy to remember. 140 grams of sugar, flour and butter, 2 eggs and 2 bananas, but I've only got one so I'm using one and hoping that it works out, with a little bit of baking powder too. So I'm going to start by cracking 2 eggs into a bowl and giving them a good whisk. And I'm also going to mash my banana in a bowl and set both of those liquid ingredients to one side. And then I'm going to cream together my butter and my sugar. Now I'm going to take it in turns, adding liquid and dry ingredients to the creamed sugar and butter. And I'm mixing it in a bit of a figure of 8 pattern where possible. Now it's beginning to look a little bit more like a cake mixture, but it's probably a bit thicker than I'd like, and the banana will help that, so I'm going to add the banana next and then cream it all together again. So there it is, that's the cake mixture. It smells delicious and it tastes quite nice as well. So I've just greased my loaf tin, just to make it a little bit easier to get the loaf out once it's made. I'm going to set the timer for 20 minutes and I try and leave the oven door shut for that first 20 minutes just so that it rises nicely and doesn't sink in the middle. I do find that the banana loaf tends to be a bit soggier than a normal cake. You can tell it's cooked when you put a skewer in and it comes out clean. Once it's cooked, I've taken it out, just run a little knife around the edge and pop it out onto a cooling rack. So that's it. I'm actually really pleased with how it's turned out. I've not tried it yet. But yeah, it's alright. I'm pleased with that. So I'll put the recipe in the description in case anybody wants to try and replicate it. This would probably normally last people about a week, but I think Andre and I have eaten it in a couple of days before, so fingers crossed this makes it through the weekend. I'm going to start trying to make a bit more content like this while we're in quarantine, just as a little bit of something to do and as a little bit of inspiration for people, I hope. If you like these kind of videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching. See you later, bye! Aside from the cake, this is the second best bit.